Your car says a lot about you, and nothing speaks louder than a clean, fresh interior. Today, we are giving this stunning Range Rover Discovery a full interior deep clean, restoring it to like a new condition, and showing you why regular interior maintenance is not just about look. It's about preserving value, comfort, and health. Over time, dirt, dust, and allergens build up inside the cabin, whether it crumbs between the seats, fingerprints on the dash, or embedded grime in the leather. Every detail matters. And especially in luxury SUVs like this Discovery, interior detailing is crucial to maintain its elegance and performance. We begin by removing all floor mats and doing a thorough vacuum of the carpets and seats. This helps eliminate loose dirt, food particles, and even pet hair that regular cleaning often misses. Vacuuming is the foundation of a good interior clean, setting the stage for deeper treatments. This not only lifts stains and odors but also kills bacteria and dust mites that can affect air quality inside the vehicle. Dashboard, door panels, air vents, and center console all are cleaned with special attention using soft brushes and microfiber towels. We use pH balanced cleaners to safely remove grime without damaging the material. For Range Rover interiors, it's important to use non-abrasive solution to protect the soft touch finishes and brushed metal trims. Leather seats are one of the most luxurious features in the Range Rover Discovery and also one of the most delicate. We clean the seats using a leather safe cleaner followed by a premium conditioner that nourishes and protects to the leather. This helps to prevent cracking, fading, and stiffness, especially in Dubai's hot climate. No corner is left untouched. Cup holders, seat rails, and storage compartment often hide the most dirt. We scrub and sanitize these areas to ensure the entire cabin is spotless, even the places you don't usually see. Modern vehicles like the Discovery comes equipped with high-end infotainment systems and touch-sensitive controls. These areas are magnets for fingerprints and dust. We gently clean them using anti-static solution to avoid any damage to electronic components. At King's Auto Garage, we specialize in premium car detailing for high-end vehicles like Range Rover Discovery. Book your interior cleaning today and give your car the treatment it deserves. Call us now or visit our workshop in Al Quoz, Dubai.